Elevate keto meals with zero-carb seasonings.
Enjoy flavorful keto dishes by using zero-carb spices and herbs. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and basil all add rich taste without the carbs. These seasonings keep meals interesting while supporting your goals. Sprinkle generously on meats, eggs, and veggies for a delicious low-carb boost.
Zest up with simple vinegars and citrus.
Vinegars like apple cider, red wine, and white vinegar bring a punch of tang with no carbs. Add a splash to dressings, marinades, or cooked vegetables. Fresh lemon or lime juice contains almost no carbs and heightens flavors. Use these to brighten salads, seafood, and grilled chicken dishes.
Best no-sugar sauces and condiments.
Look for zero-sugar sauces, such as hot sauce, yellow or Dijon mustard, soy sauce, coconut aminos, and Worcestershire sauce. Check labels to avoid hidden sugars or starches. These condiments offer bold taste, making simple proteins and vegetables feel exciting and new.
Homemade keto-friendly sauces.
You can mix your own delicious dressings. Try blending olive oil, vinegar, and your favorite herbs for a quick vinaigrette. For creamy sauces, mix mayonnaise with hot sauce, mustard, or herbs. These homemade options are easy, completely customizable, and stay zero-carb.
Tips for low-carb flavor success.
Keep your pantry stocked with a variety of herbs, spices, vinegars, and condiments so meals never get boring. Double-check labels for hidden carbs in store-bought products. With these zero-carb flavor boosters, sticking to your keto lifestyle becomes simple and tasty every day.